Good afternoon, all. Uh, Today, I came up with the interesting and very short topic that is Internet versus World Wide Web. You can call it as a web or WWW. Many of us think that World Wide Web and Internet are one and the same thing, but there is a quite difference as we all are computer engineers, so we should know the exact difference between what these two things are. So internet is a different thing and world wide web is a different thing. So get a clear picture about these things, that what exactly the difference between internet and world wide web, as we all uses internet in our day to day life. So we also studied the internet in our subject computer networks, that the basic definition of internet is like internet is a network of networks. Yes, it is a network of networks. But what is wave? Wave is a collection of information which access through the internet. Okay, so you can imagine a picture that internet is basically a infrastructure. So you can see that there are different roads and different vehicles traveling over the roads. So roads to link between two stations, the road can be same, but the traveling cars, moving cars or vehicles are different, with different brands, different shape, size, and different purposes also. So like that. So internet is basically a structure, infrastructure, and where your content like text, video, audio, that travels through or uses this infrastructure as a service by the web. So that are the web contents. So I hope you are getting clearer about internet and web. So in nature, you can say that internet could be a hardware and web is the software. So here are some differences I have listed. You can see that information or data can be exchanged over the internet, but the type or content of the data is the web pages. That hypertext or hyperlinks are the web, okay, which you are browsing. So you can say also that internet is an infrastructure and web is a service on the top of the internet. You can also say that internet is a superset and web is a subset of internet. Okay, so there are many things like, if you, let's take an example of torrent. If you are downloading files from torrent, so there is no need of web. Okay, there is only requirement of internet connection, there is no need of web. But if you want to watch a YouTube video or a movie on YouTube, you require that particular www.youtube and something which content you want to access, that URL you require. So that is over the web, and for the torrent download it is over the internet. uh, Another example, your WhatsApp chat. You uses WhatsApp as an application. Okay, end-to-end encryption you have studied in WhatsApp as a case study. Okay, so in what happens in WhatsApp, you send a message, you received a message, you only required a internet and WhatsApp application. Here you know, here you don't require the web. So some of you may call, sir, WhatsApp is a web application. No, it is. When you download it on web and when you download it in mobile phone and you open it, it is not a web, it is just an application. But when you uses WhatsApp web through HTTP, it goes, then you can call it as a web service. Okay, I hope you understand the difference between internet and web things. There are quite more difference, whether it, if it is a theoretical question, then you can give the differences like internet is introduced in 1960s and web is introduced after 1986 or 89 something. So internet is a public domain. You cannot block the entire internet. You can block the web services or websites. Okay, that type of differences you can mention. But technologically, I hope you understand that internet is a infrastructure and web is a application. Here in internet there are so many protocols: TCP, IP, UDP, TCP. Different protocols are there. In web also, the only HTTP protocol is matters. So here the content like text, images, videos, that content matters in the web. If you want to exchange of this information or data, then you uses the web services. But if you just want to exchange the information, or you just want to send the data, some raw data, or you can say some unwanted files, encrypted, decrypted, anything you want to send, that over the internet. But the contentful, meaningful data, that is on the web. So that is the difference. You can also see the picture, that internet is a connection of this computers hardware part, and web is connecting people. They are using application, or over the top of the internet they are using some application, or you can say the browsers or anything, chat applications, you know. So another protocols for mail transfer, SMTP, STP, that protocols over the internet, they are different from the web. Okay, so I think you got clear about the difference between internet and www, or say web. I hope now, from now, you are not saying that web and internet are one and the same thing. So thank you. These are the references which I have referred. You can also refer.